well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I thought we could do something a little bit different. I used to do these videos all the time, however I haven't filmed one in what feels like forever, and I'm really excited to be filming one today, and that is a Lush Q&A. I asked you guys over on my Instagram, which if you don't follow me, make sure you do, but I asked you guys over there kind of what questions you had for me. Did you have any questions Lush related or bath related, anything Lush related pretty much. I asked you guys on Instagram and I've got a bunch of questions, so I'm really excited to be answering them today. So without further ado, I am going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first question is, which scent family do you want to make a comeback? And as I just read that question just then, which I haven't read any of these questions yet by the way, I'm just gonna scroll aimlessly and answer some questions, but I instantly thought of Yuzu and Cocoa. I don't know why, I absolutely loved that smell, and that bubble bar, it was just incredible. I absolutely loved it, and I just always get so sad that they got rid of the bubble bar and they got rid of the shower cream, both of which I really enjoyed, and I feel like it was just such a really universal, like just really sweet, fresh, creamy smell. So I'd probably say Yuzu and Cocoa, or Plum Rain obviously, because Plum Rain was like my child and I absolutely loved it, but I'm gonna say I think Yuzu and Cocoa just because of the, like, it was just delicious. And Plum Rain, I'm gonna say too. The next question is, what do you think of the collaborations recently? And I feel like it's quite a hard question because I think they're great. I absolutely loved like the Mario range, and I thought the Lazy Oaf range was really cool, and Stranger Things. I also just think it's really random. Like, I love it. I absolutely love it, and I think it's so fun and different, and it's really kind of bringing companies together, which I love that. But I also feel like they've never done stuff like this before, and all of a sudden, like every month, it's like new collaboration. I don't know. It is really exciting. I think it's really cool, but also really random and bizarre. So that's kind of how I feel about it. I did get a question asking whether I was doing a video on the April kitchen box and what my opinion on the soap was, which if you've seen that video, you know my opinion very well by now. I have filmed the video. Go and watch it if you haven't seen it. That is the most horrific. I nearly gagged then. I can't even discuss it because the thought is still making me feel sick. So yeah, go and watch that video, go and see what the soap was, but it wasn't my favourite, I'm not gonna lie. The next question is, have you tried the Lush Spa, and if so, what was your favourite treatment if you have one? And I have been to the Lush Spa. I went twice, so I had the Comforter Spa treatment, which was absolutely incredible. I highly recommend it. I loved it so much. I also had the other one, and I cannot remember what it was called, but it was like the piratey themed one. I don't think it was synesthesia, I don't think. Was it the Good Hour? I can't remember. It was one of those two, I think, because it was the one that I was gifted when I worked there. So when you work at Lush, you get one free treatment, and that is the one that I chose because it was one of the most expensive, but it was really good. But I would probably say the Comforter was my favourite, just because the music was so good. You can listen to it on Spotify. Just type in like Lush Spa, and it's the whole album's on there, but it's so good, and I just felt incredible. And I had like a chocolate scrub, a rose like massage oil, and you just smell amazing. So I highly recommend it. Also the drink at the end, I think is like elderflower, and then they put candy floss on top. Stunning, so good. The next question is, favourite products to give as a gift. And it's a hard one because I feel like you could go into Lush and give anything as a gift, and I feel like it's such a nice present. So it depends on who you're buying for as well, but if you have somebody to buy for and you don't really know what to go for, I'd probably go for like a scrubby body scrub, maybe like a Butterball bath bomb, something simple, or even the Comforter like bubble bar, because it's one of the most popular, and I feel like it's just such an innovative item for Lush, so that would be cool. A shampoo bar maybe a face mask. It's really hard, it depends on the person. But yeah, I'd probably have something like that. The next question is, do you think Lush should do a shower kitchen box and a bath kitchen box so both can enjoy? And I really love that idea. I think that would be really cool. Obviously it is hard because with the kitchen boxes there's such a mixed range of things that if you've obviously only got a shower, that you are probably going to get a bath bomb or two, so I feel like they are kind of wasteful products on you. So maybe what they could do is, rather than do like a shower box and a kitchen box, like when you sign up you could say like, do you have a shower, or like, do you have a bath, sorry, and if you put no, then they just swap out like the bath bomb and give you something else. I don't know, that might be quite a nice thing to do, but I feel like having two boxes probably would get quite a lot, and I feel like maybe you'd find it would be hard to pick which one you would want. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. But yeah, that's probably what I would do. Maybe just give like an alternative. That word just went right out of my head. Alternative item. So yeah. The next question is favourite ever LUSH product. It can be something that was discontinued. And I feel like that's really hard because a lot of products that have been discontinued, I feel like I can't remember. Obviously we've got Plum Rain shower gel. It holds my heart. I absolutely love Plum Rain so much. What else would I say is my favourite? All Good Things perfume. Unbelievable. It smells like a festival, but like in a good way. I absolutely love that. There's probably more, but I can't think of any right now. But yeah, I'd probably say those two at a first guess. The next question is best bubble bath that's worth the money, and I would instantly say something like the Comforter, Bright Side, things like that, because they're so big, and if you chop it up into tiny pieces you can easily get about 6 baths out of one, rather than using like a smaller bath like bubble bar and use it in one bath, if that makes sense. So I would probably say the Comforter or Bright Side, depending on your smell preference. You might even like Blue Skies. I do not recommend it because it smells like dirt. But if you like that smell, that one is for you. The next question is, have you tried any of the Mario products? Yes, I have. I've tried the Luigi shower gel. That was the item I picked up from the range. I thought about buying the whole range, doing a video and that kind of thing, but I'm really just, I say I'm trying to save my money. I'm just spending my money on books at the moment, so I was kind of like umming and ahhing about it, and I feel like I do the kind of spoiler videos anyway, so it would have just been like spending money for the sake of it. But yes, the shower gel, heavenly. It smells like so white, and if you don't know what that smells like, it smells like crisp apples. Incredible. The next question is, if you could create your own LUSH product, what would it be? And I think I would come up with something like, it's hard really because I love New Shampoo Bar so much. It is a hair growth shampoo bar, but I feel like I would want a shampoo bar or a liquid shampoo that has a lot of like rosemary oil in it, because obviously that's really popular at the moment to encourage hair growth, and I feel like I would really want that. And maybe have like a whole range, so like a shampoo, conditioner, maybe even like a liquid oil to put in afterwards, something like that I think would be really nice. I feel like hair care wise LUSH have so much, but also we need like an oil would be so good, so maybe they should come up with something like that. The next question is top 5 worst products, and I feel like this is easy for me, but also I don't know whether these are all even like still available, but I'm gonna go through them anyway. So Aromaco deodorant, Blue Skies bubble bar, Aquamarina, Cosmetic Warrior, and that soap that was discontinued, Devil's Nightcap. It was brown and it had moss on it. Like, it's just not a vibe for me. It literally smelled like dirt and it was vile, but if you liked that smell, I'm pleased for you, but it was absolutely gross. Those are my top 5 worst, I would say, at this current moment. I've probably forgotten a few, but yeah, I would say those at the moment. The next question is, if you could only use one product for the rest of your life, which would it be? And again, this is really hard because I love a lot of LUSH products, but I'd probably have to say like New Shampoo Bar. I know I love shower gels and I love their scrubs, and I mean I love everything, but New Shampoo Bar is my ride or die shampoo and I absolutely love it, and I haven't even used it in like a few weeks I think, so I need to start using it again. But yeah, incredible shampoo. If you've never used it, it's cinnamon. It's really good for encouraging hair growth. To be honest, any of their shampoo bars are like my absolute favourite, but New Shampoo Bar is my firm number 1, like top tier. Obsessed with it. And the last question I'm going to answer in today's video is best shower gel. That one is hard because it depends if we're talking like limited edition or currently in stores, and if we're going to do limited edition / discontinued, I would probably say, oh, it's so hard, I'm thinking of more in my head, like the Golden Egg shower gel, unmatched, smells amazing. Obviously Plum Rain, Lord of Misrule, Sleepy, the Comforter shower cream, Yuzu and Cocoa shower cream. Like, there were so many. I find it so hard to just choose one. I feel like I would have to go with Plum Rain because it is my ride or die, but actually, oh, I don't know, this is really hard. I'm just gonna have to say Plum Rain, but I do love the Golden Egg shower gel. incredible. It's out for Easter. I don't know whether they still have it because obviously Easter's been and gone, but it smelled like toffee and caramel, and it was sparkly, and it was absolutely delish. So I highly recommend it if you can still get it, but if you can't, obviously that sucks because it was so good. But yeah, I would say Plum Rain, just to kind of stick to my roots. It was really good. So that is everything for this Lush Q&A. I really hope you guys did enjoy. It wasn't overly long, but I fancied just sitting down, having a chat with you guys about all things Lush again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.